guys, just another update. Apparently the JB Waterweld failed on me. My skimmer basket shelf has collapsed again. Yeah, so this top ring is no longer holding up. Yeah, it's collapsed. Yeah, no more retention at all. And look at this beat up JB Waterweld. Well, apparently it doesn't work for this kind of plastic. So I can literally lift up every joints that I did before, just like this. That's 2 and 3. 4. Yep, the whole shell collapsed. 5. Oh my god. 6. JB Waterweld did not work for rain barrel plastic. Alright, so I'm going to be using these garden etcher fiberglass flexible garden etcher as a support for my leaf basket shelf for the time being. And eventually I will have to fix the bottom shelf soon, because I'm sure the bottom shelf gonna collapse soon. But for now, just gonna do this. So I'm gonna coil it, put it around the barrel. Alright, so as you can see, I have that green etcher as a support at the bottom of this leaf basket shelf for now. And put down my basket. Okay. Well, I can have it running for now.